I want to switch to dbt cloud. So what I have to do is click on this small status window which is saying dbt core is not installed, and then the top drawer opens up and I'm going to choose switch to dbt cloud. So as soon as I choose that, it's showing me, hey, switching to dbt cloud requires reloading the VS Code window. Any unsaved changes will be lost. So I don't have any unsaved changes. I just opened it. So I'm going to just hit confirm, and then the extension will reload the VS Code window and it will change the mode to dbt cloud, which is going to show up here in few seconds. So as you can see, now it's telling me, hey, I switched the mode to dbt cloud, but dbt cloud is not installed. The message that is popping up is please ensure dbt cloud CLI is installed, and it's also giving me an option to install it. So I'm going to click here, install dbt cloud. Once I click it, what extension is going to do is going to download latest cloud CLI package and install it in this particular environment. Once it is installed, it is going to automatically parse everything and trying to figure out whether the binary has been installed correctly. So you can see the mode is dbt cloud now. Tick mark is there. That means it detected dbt cloud CLI also perfectly fine. Now, once this is done, just to make sure, you want to quickly run a setup wizard to sort of confirm that your environment is configured in a right way. So click here on dbt cloud, go in setup extension and start right from the beginning, which is just saying, hey, welcome to Power User Setup. Select your Python interpreter. Right now I have it selected as 3.9.18. I click on the button, select that again because I know it's working okay. But for some reason, if your Python environment that you want to choose is something else, is not working right for you, you can choose other Python environments also. So choose that Python environment. The next step that you need to do is after Python environment has been selected is associate the file types. So for the extension to work correctly, you need to associate any .sql files to Jinja SQL value or any .yaml files to Jinja YAML. So for that, click on associate file types. As you can see, I have those values configured already, but in your VS Code, if that's not configured, just click on add item, star.yaml, and then the value should be Jinja-YAML. Same thing for SQL. Get these values added because then extension will start recognizing your models, etc. configuration files perfectly. So I'm going to close these settings. Now go to the next step after the file association is done, which is validate project setup. To validate everything is set up correctly, again, just click a button. The prompt will come up. Hey, do you want to validate this project? Jaffle Shop is saying Jaffle Shop because in my YAML in cloud, it's named Jaffle Shop. This will run the command dbt environment show inside the project. Do you want to continue? Yes, of course. I want to make sure the project is done right. And here it will print all the configuration. This looks right. And then I can see what is the environment ID, all the other information, where is the dbt cloud project IDs, account IDs. Everything looks okay. And then the last step is you finish the setup. If you have any issues, you can find us in dbt workspace in Slack workspace, tools dbt power user Slack channel. You can message us there.